Green hydrogen. Definition and conceptualization. Hydrogen gas is a flammable, non-toxic, colorless, odorless and tasteless gas. It is normally transported in steel cylinders at pressures between 150 and 200 bars. Its melting point is -259.2 degrees Celsius. Its boiling point is -252.9 degrees Celsius. It has a molar mass of 2 grams per mole, making it the lowest density gas known. Green hydrogen is hydrogen gas produced through clean and renewable energy sources, such as hydroelectric, wind, solar, among others. This way, there are no carbon emissions during the process. Green hydrogen is considered fundamental for the energy transition due to the growing international commitment to the climate change agenda. The Paris Agreement and the UN Sustainable Development Goals set goals for decarbonization, that is, eliminating carbon emissions from the planet's atmosphere. The signatories project that green hydrogen will replace oil and natural gas and become the main energy resource by 2050.